Hello, everybody. It is Mike Levin on Monday, August 1st, 2022. And I am learning what I have learned is called the LXD, Linux Container System. So I had gotten it on my system with sudo apt install LXD. So the package is called LXD. The command is similar, getting it from the Snap Store, but what you have on your system is called LXD. But the commands that control it are LXC. Okay, after it's actually installed and you're doing all the container manipulations, it's always the LXC command. And the single most popular LXC command I use, and probably most people, is LXC space ls. Now, this is a source for a lot of frustration because it chooses a default that is too wide for my default screen, right? So it's showing me what I want, but for it to look nice, I would have to shrink down the font by 5 control minuses, and that's completely unacceptable. I can't do that in my everyday work. So I am going to go back to the original size, and I will do Control L to clear it. And then I will do LXC ls space minus fast. And there it is without showing the IPs, right? There's no IPv4, there's no IPv6 pushing this out to extraordinary widths, and it looks a lot nicer. So I'll probably make an alias for all you folks that, see me use my aliases and are like, what the heck's he doing? Like profile is one of my aliases. Profile is vim space home /.bash _ profile. And you can see that one right here. When I type profile, it's actually typing this command here. And there I go, ruining my copy buffer. Let me see if it's still in my copy buffer. So alias lx equals, oh good, I didn't mess up my copy buffer. And so now I write and quit, I exit out, and then I open a new terminal, and now whenever I type lx, there's my containers. And so that's really the point of this video. I figured I'd do a super fast one for those people who were tired of my super long hour and a half videos. That is just demonstrating the command LXC space ls space minus fast. And it's also demonstrating making an alias. And as an added bonus, I will demonstrate how I discovered that. So LXC space ls, and as is the convention in Linux, you can very often do space minus help. And you can get the help interface for just that command. This should be the interface for just ls or list. And it's scrolled off the top, and because I don't have buffers set up for scrolling, I am going to make this an extra bonus by doing help and then piping it to less. And now I can use the J and K keys to scroll up and down just as if I were in Vim or something, or the less program. The less program uses a similar interface as does Vim. And so I just read down this and I said there's got to be a better way. Now, unfortunately, the way to do it fast is not so fast to type. And that's the same as specifying a specific set of columns. See that? Right? So I saw this as one of the optional flags for ls, right? And you can also do filters. I got some more stuff to discover here. But that's how I discovered it. And now whenever I want to see what containers I have and what's running, I'll just type lx just like that. Thanks for joining me. Hope to see you again soon. Don't forget to subscribe.